If there is one thing that separates the human race from the rest of the living creatures, then it undoubtedly has to be knowledge. Yet knowledge alone can extract oil from the depths, move mountains and channel the flow of water on the surface, generate power from thin air, or radiate waves from vacuum in space, and in doing so, even prove wrong the sky is the limit. All these human feat are the result of the application of knowledge, or what we term engineering. From its inception in 1991, Corpotech Pvt Ltd has been called upon by many and different engineering companies from across the world for producing customized as well as innovative solutions to support their critical processes. Since then, we are the mainstay for manufacturing ultra-precision and ultra-quality heavy-duty metal components for specific applications in oil and gas, renewable energy, power generation, automobile, transportation, telecommunications, and heavy engineering sectors. Our experience and expertise in heavy machining, fabrication, heat treatment, sub-assemblies, and special processes have made us a total solution provider to domestic, export, and global market operators. We have the capabilities of meeting your fabrication needs as per the ASME and the EN specifications. Corpotech is a conglomerate of companies with 10 state-of-the-art development and manufacturing facilities at Pune in the state of Maharashtra in India. They add up to 13 lakh square feet area and a cohesive team of 3,500 highly skilled and motivated engineers and shop floor operators. This synergistic association of man, machine, and methods is leveraged in meeting the most challenging demands of the engineering industry and sectors as they come. Corpotech caters to the oil and gas segment for drilling and evaluation, cementing, perforation, and fracking well completion, surface and flow measurement through a product line that includes drill collars, fluid ends, fracks, packers, and well completion tools, power frame, clamp connector, plunger, frac valve, frac seat, gate valves, stator frame, small volume provers, rail king parts, rings, slips, USM, etc. Corpotech provides heavy machined and fabricated components like conveyors, screens, boxes, base frame, skids, hoppers, dipping grids, haver and chassis, wavers and chassis for the construction and earth-moving equipment manufacturers. Corpotech supports the power generation industry with small and heavy machined as well as fabricated components and assemblies. We have mechanical and fabricated components along with CNC pressed, rolled and bent products for solar panels. Corpotech has been consistently meeting the high technology and robust quality requirements of the transportation industry through innovations in materials and embedded systems, mechanical components, and new product developments. Corpotech has engineering in its name and DNA. This gives us a natural legend for all our processes. We are capable of undertaking heavy fabrication of components through an array of processes that include shielded metal arc, gas metal arc, gas tungsten arc, and submerged arc welding, all supported by CNC gas cutting, as well as plasma and laser cutting. The company has made significant investments in advanced robotic cell for manufacturing world-class components. Our facilities are equipped with multi-access turn mill centers. The large manufacturing setup is supported by a fleet of heavy machine and the world-class CNC plasma and laser cutting and bending machines from Biceronics. Most of the heavy and precision machining tasks are achieved by a formidable lineup of advanced vertical machining setters. Ultra Corpotech also has the capabilities for special processing like zinc and manganese phosphating. We are equipped for mold coating and other special processes such as xylem coating, fluoropolymer coating, painting, shot blasting, glass beading and aluminum oxide blasting, pressure testing and dry honing, electric heat treatment plant with pit-type furnaces with a capacity of 5 tons per charge further empower and enhance our engineering capabilities. We also have carburizing with continuous seal quench furnace capability. Ultra Corpotech is committed to precision that is achieved only through closely monitored quality at every step of manufacturing and unfinishing. Each final product has to pass through stringent quality checks. Our quality standards are at par with the ISO quality management parameters. As Ultra Corpotech, we stay committed to continuously improving products and services by updating our technologies, systems, and human skills. Our accomplishments and contributions to export business have been recognized by the Government of India. Despite the completion of almost 3 decades, Ultra Corpotech is raring to explore even deeper, build even bigger, and reach even higher goals in engineering. For Ultra Corpotech, engineering is the only way of life.